Hey Confident Naturals, welcome to Janae's Journey. I'm Janae Simone. You tune into the right place if you want to see videos about beauty and hair every single week. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to get notifications every single time I post. If you are not new to my channel and you're just scrolling back through, hey, what's up to ya? Okay, you guys, so as you can see from the title, we're going to be talking about Pura Vida. I am a new ambassador for this company. It is a bracelet, ring, like necklace, just cute girl accessories brand. They were founded in Costa Rica, but they are California based, and I am now an ambassador for them. So I'm going to be doing a small unboxing review kind of thing for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so for most ambassador programs, you do have to purchase something from them with your ambassador code, and and then you become like an official ambassador after all the other stuff. So I have the packages that I ordered based off things that I like. So here they are. They're these two cute packages. They actually have two different kind of material. This is like a bubble wrap, like envelope, and this is more like of a thin packaging. I honestly forgot what I ordered from them, so I'm super excited because I love cute accessories and stuff. And every bracelet that they sell is for a cause, as they say, and it is to support artisans. So I really think that's cool. I really try to stand behind companies that stand behind something that is helping the community or helping the world in some way. So I think that's pretty awesome. Okay, you guys, so let's open this first one. Yeah, so it has like a skate on the back. It says Pura Vida. Super cute. So let's see what we got in this package. Okay, let's see. Okay, so first thing, we got this Pura Vida Live Free, founded in Costa Rica. Each purchase helps provide full-time jobs for artisans worldwide. Thank you. How your purchase gives back. So it supports hundreds of artisans, employment opportunities, steady income, and a positive work environment. So that's cool. And then okay. Oh look, they give like a little story, kind of pop-up look in a way too, because it has like this 3D pineapple, super cute. I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm kind of obsessed with the way pineapples look, so I really like pineapples. So that's super cool, and it just tells you that they they started in San Diego, then went to Costa Rica, sold out, and then came to California. I don't know, the plane actually just goes off, so somewhere, but I think that's super cute. They tell you like what your purchase and your support does for the business and for others. All right, so we have, oh yes, I remember. Okay, so we have this cute, let's see. Let's just open it. So it is this cute daisy flower choker that I bought. So let's see if we can get out of this package. Yeah, it looks like exactly how it looks on the website, so that's good. But let's see. Okay, so cute, simple. It'll definitely go cute with some of my summer outfits. I cannot wait until quarantine is over. So that is a necklace that I received. Let's see what else. Oh yes, this ring. It's a rose quartz. So my sister has really been getting me into like stones and their meaning and stuff. And the rose quartz is for love, but it's actually really for like loving yourself. And I really like that. So when I seen this, I had to get it. It's just super cute. Yeah. It's cute, it's simple, and it represents self-love, which is super important. We also got about 5 cute little 5 cute little Pura Vida stickers, so that's fun. I don't know, go on my laptop or a notebook or something. Okay, so yeah, that is our first package. Now we're gonna go on to our second package. Okay, so more fun stickers. Oh, this is my rep package. Okay, because it says enjoy your rep package. So cool. Awesome, so let's see what we got in our rep package. Ooh, cute little drawstring bag. Nice, and we got a bracelet. It looks like, wow. Oh, we have several bracelets. How nice. How nice is that? Cool. So they're super colorful. They they look handmade in a good fashion for sure. So these are super cute and cool. So definitely, you guys, if you want to just get some cute simple accessories and also help a cause, definitely shop with Pura Vida. You can use my code JanaeSimone16 to get 16% off of your purchases, so make sure you do that. But yeah, you guys, I'm now an ambassador for them, so make sure you use my code anytime that you guys go purchase them and you know, support their cause. Like, it's super cool, and then in return you get some cute accessories. So yeah, you guys, thanks so much for tuning in, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.